Do I get to try one more time? I like to show myself that I'm just fine. Left me floating alone. The water's so cold. Cut off my path to land. Please give me your hand. What would you say if you had your way? What would you say? And what would you push away? What would you say if you had your way? What would you say? And would you still be afraid? Like this, much better. Stopped writing love letters. I found my way by the wave, highway to brave. If I take a trip out to sea with you, would you stay or would you cross my route?
Wait, hug me in frame, it'll be cute. Look how big he is today.
Change the size?
Yeah. You may want to put pants on
Oh yeah.
when filming, and Jaylee's coming at 10. So I'm not normally an advocate of protein powder, but I am trying this out to try to boost up my smoothies a little bit to make me fuller and just a little bit more satiated. But yeah, this Garden of Life, it tastes really good, and I think I'm into it. But I'm not a big fan of protein powder in general. I just think I need some right now. Oh. The smell of Eric's coffee.
Crashing waves splash all over us when the sun comes down. I'm gonna wash it clean, throw the past away this next time around.
Wait, Jaylee, do you want to be in my video?
Do I?
Yeah, come here. Jaylee, this is Jaylee. No, wait, hold on. Let me do that again. Go back. Okay, come back. Everyone, this is Jaylee. She's my new assistant, and she's helping me, and she just brought me this amazing acai bowl, because that is all that sounded good right now. So you are just like satisfying pregnancy hunger.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's my
You roll.
my role.
Is the pregnancy help. And she's gonna work in the kitchen while I finish editing a video, and Eric works on engineering. Let me know if you have questions. Jaylee. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute in my kitchen with your yellow.
I made the wrong choice, right? I won't make a move, don't know why I didn't stay. I think I made the wrong choice, right? I won't make a move, don't know why I didn't stay. I like to show myself that it's just fine.
What? Oh no! Oh no! The pocket hose broke! Oh no, oh no! Oh dear! It's just spraying! It's just, oh. Oh no, I love the pocket hose. So Jaylee, why don't you tell me what we made today?
We made cocoa.
Come over here.
Oh.
What's it called?
Cocoa lime lentils?
Cocoa lime lentils.
Yes.
This is one of my favorite
can't wait to
recipes
try.
going in the ebook. I've made this 1,000 times, and Jaylee just made it, and pretty easy, right?
Yeah, I'm excited to try it.
And it what does it smell like to you? Just like
Coconut, creamy,
so
lime.
limey.
Maybe really good with cilantro.
Yum, yum, yum. Some rice. with spinach. Yeah, and then we're gonna take a photo. Cause I had already taken this photo, but I hired Jaylee cause she knows how to take pictures way better than I do. And she's just gonna make the ebook be a lot more appealing and
curated.
Yes,
a little bit.
And just more cohesive and beautiful and vibrant rather than like, here's a random photo that I tried to take, because that's kind of messed up. Yeah. And I want it to be vibrant, beautiful, and look super appetizing. So where are we gonna take the photo? Out on the deck?
We should show them.
Yeah.
See which one process.
Yeah.
I was thinking like right here.
But I love Jaylee. Oh, I just got a splinter in my foot. No! Get it out, get it out!
Oh my gosh, really? You want me to just pull it? You've had the funny like clips there.
I have a lot of moments today. I hired Jaylee again to help me with the ebook and also just preparing for the baby coming, because you're gonna be like holding the baby when I'm like, yeah, he's crying and like, I need to finish this real quick, and you're like, I got him.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited to meet him.
I know. That's so exciting.
But yeah, continuing to work and put out hopefully the same amount of content. We're gonna see how it goes. One of the best things about Jaylee is like, she has such beautiful, you've like a great eye, and you have a really specific way of taking a photo that I really appreciate. You should check out her Instagram. It's gorgeous. You'll just be scrolling for days. The other thing is that she lives so close to me. Like, I had some really amazing people apply for the assistant position. So if you applied, just know that you had some really amazing applications and beautiful photos that you submitted. I need to cut my nails because they grow too damn fast. Do you know this about pregnancy?
Really?
Yeah. All right, Jaylee's gonna take a little taste.
I'm gonna take a while for me to blow.
I know, it's hot, hot, hot. You want the lentils to be super puffed up and soft and creamy. No pressure.
I just want to burn my mouth.
We're all watching.
Wow, that's really good.
Is it good?
I've never had lentils with that like type of.
You probably want more salt. You're a salty girl.
How much do you want in that, do you think? I was thinking side by side. Mm-hmm. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay. This is colorful. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks fun. Does that look empty?
It's so good. You have to
try it.
You have to buy it.
You gotta buy it. I didn't ask her to say that. She just said it.
Cutting your nails?
I need content, okay?
It's kind of weird. I feel like people would kind of like that.
Some people like
It's just-
weird stuff.
Well, and also it's just,
ASMR.
it goes with your,
With your style.
yeah, like of just being
Real.
completely open and real.
Yeah.
I love
like
how-
that.
Like
I love-
everybody
we could just
has to cut their nails, okay?
We could just excuse anything Hannah does because, like, well, that's her style, is
Right.
being disgusting, so.
You like sit on the toilet. You're like.
Yeah, I gotta draw a line somewhere.
So we got a bidet. This is how it works.
We did get a
Well,
bidet.
as a pregnant girl, this is how it works.
We did get a bidet, guys. We should talk about our bidet. Jaylee has left for the day and I am so hungry. Doing all this ebook creation has created a storm of leftovers, so I have a ton of leftovers that I need to eat. Right now I'm making this, I'm just heating up this Chinese healing noodle soup. Oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite things I've ever invented. I just sort of was inspired by the ginger and the turmeric. Wow, my filming is terrible right now. But it tastes so good. And now I need to clean up all these dishes. I don't know how I made such a mess because our midwives are coming over for a prenatal visit. All of the prenatal visits are at my house, so I don't have to go anywhere, which is great. And if they are open to being on camera, I shall introduce you to them. You guys, these are my midwives, or our midwives.
Our midwife.
This is Lisa Marie and Richard.
Hi there.
And we are obsessed with them. We had like a FaceTime call with them when we first like interviewed you guys. And initially we turned off the call and I was like, it's them, that's who we're choosing. We had all the feels.
That was wonderful.
And we still have all the feels, so
Yes.
it was a good connection.
I know, it's
Great
so
connection.
nice, but the problem with prenatal visits is we talk too much and we just talk and talk and talk, and then we can't you know, get to the business, and then you guys have more
we're gonna do the
moms to
business
see.
first today.
Right, exactly. Yes.
Business first, talk, and coconut lentils later.
Yes.
Okay.
We're doing it.
I'm gonna lean back, and I'm not a very professional vlogger. It's very
That's what's fun about it though. It's
like these are my. I'm wearing one sock. I'll explain later. Like it's just very silly. And like,
good. That's how it should be.
yeah, it's chill,
right.
chill vibes.
It's real, natural.
I like that. Organic.
Anytime I mess up, Eric just goes, "It's okay. It's your style." My style is messing up. Thank you.
Settled on a
Your
name
culture.
at this point. We have
But we're not-
some names, but I don't think we're gonna actually
We want to meet
pick
him
one
first.
until like we're gonna narrow it down to a couple,
Yeah.
and
Perfect.
then once we
Excellent.
meet the little dude.
Sweaty, sorry. Also, I haven't shaved my legs in a while.
I don't mind.
My bad.
I'm from the old school. We don't mind bodily hair.
Okay, great.
No need to shave anywhere.
I did
for
wash
fur.
my pits for you though.
That's very kind. Yeah. I always appreciate it. Just like
Smells are different than textures.
Yeah, exactly. Look at your belly's really grown since I last saw you.
Don't pluck my one black hair.
She's
Keeping it
keeping
for
it on
good luck.
purpose.
My friend told me that I realized that some of the feelings are hiccups.
Yes.
And
Like
it's so
fluttering.
cute.
So cute.
Oh my god! And then that
be
night I
really
really
rhythmic.
paid attention, and it was like a like my baby's in there
If they get
hiccuping.
startled, they can get hiccups. And when I use the fetoscope, this big one,
Aw.
it gives
It
them
is
the.
so
It'll give them
cute.
the
So
hiccups.
cute.
Hi, sweetheart. Usually this wakes them up. Hi, baby. Yeah, he's moving. He's kicking. So, pelvis, baby doll. So if the baby's sitting backwards in the mom, then I can sometimes hear this through the chest wall because the head and gauge will force the baby to kind of open that up. Whereas normally they would stay a little bit more like a C.
Right.
See, if they're like this, I really can't hear so much, but I can get it through their scapula.